Snipe-IT is a free open source IT asset management application. It is written in PHP. Today we are going to install it on Proxmox, and we are going to see that how quick and easy we can deploy it using the turnkey solution. The website and all other details are written on the description below. For the self-hosted application, it is completely free. At first, on the Proxmox, we'll download the template from the turnkey solution. Here I already have a downloaded copy, so I'm not gonna re-download it again. I'm allocating resources. Here you can allocate your resource as you need it. Start the newly installed container. I am putting a default password for myself. You can put any password you want. Let's log in. Your Snipe-IT asset management application is ready to use.